riding the Dollywood Express.
Welcome aboard the Dollywood Express. My name is Matt. I'll be your conductor for this trip right near the Great Smoky Mountains. Now, so I'm going to have a fellow conductor by the name of Bob up there in car 3. Together, me and Bob's going to make sure that everybody stays seated and keep all body parts in the train at all times for your safety. And folks, please keep all arms and legs in. Now folks, we do have poison ivy, poison oak, snakes, and spiders. Please do not reach out and pull on them branches, because if not, you're going to get a free souvenir that you don't want. Number 7 is a genuine coal-fired steam engine. She will spit out smoke, soot, and cinders. So be sure to protect your eyes and the eyes of your children.
Folks, the cable overhead is for medical emergencies only. If there is a true medical emergency, please pull down on the cord for 2 seconds and release. Those 2 whistles you just heard tell us that our engineer has received our all clear, and we will be pulling out of the depot at any moment.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, boom! All right, who didn't eat their Raisin Bran this morning? Oh, well, yeah, all right. I did too. Well, let's try it one more time. Real good push. Ready? 1, 2, 3, push! All right, everybody pick up their feet.
Get it!
Oh, that worked! There you go. Hey, good job. You still are pushing. Great job, everybody. Now y'all wave your depot master Chris down here near the steps there, left side, middle of the depot. Wave at him. I'll tell him we're going to be gone for about 2 weeks. We'll see you then. We're going to go out and celebrate the 4th of July, everybody. Take care of the chickens while we're gone. Well, let's travel back in time to May of 1938. Way back in history, 1938 May. Eddystone, Pennsylvania, Baldwin Locomotive Works, Butcher, Iron Gauge, McConnell, style engine number 70. She weighs a little over 230,000 pounds. It's a Type 282 locomotive. That simply means 2 wheels in the front, 2 wheels in the back, and 8 large drive wheels in the middle. After she's built, she was sent up to Skagway, Alaska to work on the White Pass Yukon Railroad and was commissioned as part of the United States Army. 1941 came to attack on Pearl Harbor, which began World War II. After the attack, it was determined a military highway was needed to protect Alaska. 1942, the U.S. Army took over the White Pass Yukon Railroad. It was used to move material, supplies, personnel, troops to build on that Alcan military highway. In the year is 1963, engine number 7 retired from the United States Army. 1977, she was sold to an East Tennessee theme park known as Silver Dollar City, Tennessee, and that's when they called her Cinderella. Right side up there at the engine. Look at him, wave at him. Come on, everybody, wave at him. Make him feel proud. Keep waving, yeah. That's the engineer, Stephen, and Cinderella. she's one shovel of coal. Everybody wave at her. Come on, make her feel proud. Yeah, let me tell you, she can shovel some coal. Don't let her fool you. Let's get that engineer Steven to blow the whistle all together on three. Y'all ready? Real loud. Tell him blow the whistle on three. 1, 2, 3.
Blow that whistle!
Alrighty, folks, one last flavor.
Did you hear it on the radio? Yeah. Awesome. They said my birthday on the speaker.
They said happy birthday, Annabelle, on the loudspeaker.
I hope they heard me say thank you because that's nice. Could duckies attack you?
I hope not.
You think? Okay, because I want to get close to those cute things. Hello. because I don't want them to attack me because it's my birthday. And I don't want to get attacked on my birthday.